All right, everyone. Here is my infamous web quest. Um, just kidding. Um, I did my web quest on figuring out the greatest NFL dynasty ever. Um, my introduction basically gives a little, introduction as in, this year's NFL draft. The Packers mentions the Packers as well as the Patriots dominant run. And then if you go into task, here we go. It kind of explains to you a little bit of the roles. So partner one here, partner two here, and then what partner one and partner two will create together. What kind of data you're gonna collect, and where you're gonna collect it. Let's see. Okay, and then into the process, it gives you some links of basically an instruction on how to find the information, how to input it into your data table, where you can find the references. So down here, you can see there is the um, information that you put into your data table, and then down here will be basically what's going to go into the tables and how it's going to work. And then here are some of the pictures where you can create for your collages and things like that. And then down here, if you can see my mouse, are the statistics worksheet as well as the statistics graph. And that's all in the process. In the evaluation, here's my rubric. Basically, it tells you, the student complete their project and present it to the class. Student fit out proper statistical categories in data table. The students properly utilize the internet to collect data. Student properly input data into table. Excuse me, it should have been into the graph. The students created a collage for Dynasty. Each collage included a title, completed worksheets, pictures of players and their coaches on the team at the time, and logo of the team at the time. And then in the conclusion, basically, it kind of just says, what team did you pick, why did you pick it, and the little excitement about, the upcoming season. Then into the state standards, um, you know, here we choose the state standards, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, fourth grade. Teacher page, basically it gives you a little more info, set up for fourth grade class, why I chose this project, and why I think this project's important. I think this project's important for one of the main facts that, as you get into your educational life and career, if you're in fourth grade, you're going to continue to do projects. You're going to continue to use the internet to, form stable arguments, and the internet now is growing at such a fast pace that we're almost using it for everything. Whether it's history, science, math, PE, we're just using it all over the place. So I think it's important to be able to find information on there, do some research, and if it's a project, to present it to the class. And that's basically my web quest.